Good evening, everybody. It is June the 19th, 2019. Sorry, I fell asleep. It is 1:20 in the morning. This will be your last evening report for the night. There was a 2.5 British Columbia, Canada, 7 miles south-southwest of Princeton, Canada, at 0 miles in depth. A 2.0 Nevada, 42 miles south of Austin, Nevada, at 3 miles in depth. A 3.1 off the coast of Bio, Chile at 11.1 miles in depth. A 4.1 off the shore of Oxy Cay, Mexico at 3.9 miles in depth. A 4.2 Sunda Straits, Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.4 Dominican Republic at 11.8 miles in depth. A 3.4 Iceland region at 3.1 miles in depth, a 3.9 Argentina at 149.1 mile in depth, 4.3 Eastern Turkey, they had that at 0 miles in depth, a 4.0 Oaxaca, Mexico at 8.9 miles in depth, a 4.2 Afghanistan, Tajikistan border region at 116 miles in depth. A 2.0 Northern California, 8 miles west of Cobb at 1.2 miles in depth. A 3.1 Dominican Republic at 14.2 miles in depth. A 3.0 San Antonio, Puerto Rico at 24.0 miles in depth. A 3.2 Western Turkey at 4.3 miles in depth. A 3.2 Dominican Republic at 65.2 miles in depth. A 2.0 Southern California, 21 miles northeast of North Shore, and that came in at 3 miles in depth. There was a 3.0 Cerrito de Estro, Argentina, and that came in at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.2 Central Peru at 18.6 miles in depth. A 4.3 off the shore of Oaxaca, Mexico at 9.9 miles in depth. A 3.8 Central Alaska. That was 18 miles west-southwest of Tacony, and that came in at 1 mile in depth. That is Talkene. There was a 2.1 Central California, 15 miles northeast of King City at 3.7 miles in depth. A 4.5 Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.3 Keishi, Japan at 49.7 miles in depth. That's what I have for right now, guys. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are totally awesome. Please understand that for sure. Sweet dreams. Thank you for all you do when you watch and leave remarks. I really love that. You guys are totally awesome with that. 2 thumbs up. Good night.